Hi, Google Cloud provides variety of databases across relational, NoSQL, and document-based databases. As part of databases, we will look at following databases and databases technologies. Cloud SQL, which is a fully managed database for MySQL, Postgres, and SQL Server. Cloud Spanner, it's a cloud native relational database but with unlimited scale. Cloud BigTable, it's again a cloud native but wide column database for really large scale and low latency workloads. Then Firestore, which is a document database for building rich mobile, web, or IoT kind of apps. Firestore real time database, it's a NoSQL database for storing and syncing data in real time. Memorystore, it's an in memory database for managed Redis and Memcached. Database migration service, different serverless services to migrate data to Cloud SQL. And then Data Stream. Data Stream is a very new product. Um, it's been launched recently. It's a serverless change data capture and replication service. With that, let's look at different databases in a side by side comparison. Let's just start with relational databases. When it comes to relational databases, the options are bare metal and mainly for Oracle, which is to lift and shift Oracle workloads to Google Cloud. It's ideal for legacy applications or data center retirement. When you've been hosting Oracle servers locally on prem, you can move it to Google Cloud using bare metal for Oracle. Then you have Cloud SQL, which is a managed MySQL, Postgres, and SQL Server. Um, the characteristics of Cloud SQL is ACID transactions and it supports referential integrity like a traditional relational database. It's really ideal for ERP kind of system, CRM, e-commerce, and web application, and also for a lot of SaaS applications. Then you have the option of Cloud Spanner, which is a cloud native with unlimited scale, consistency, and it's known for its availability. What differentiates Cloud Spanner from Cloud SQL is the horizontal scaling. Cloud SQL can only do vertical scaling, but Cloud Spanner can do horizontal scaling. It provides a very strong consistency, and as well as Cloud Spanner has ACID support, just like Cloud SQL or any relational databases. Now, let's move on to the non relational side. Um, on the non relational side, we have Cloud BigTable, which is a key value pair. It's a cloud native NoSQL wide column store for large scale and low latency workloads. It provides you very high throughput, low latency reads and write, and endless scale. It's really ideal for real time access or very large analytical workloads. Cloud Bigtable is also used for recommendation engine, fraud detection, and ad tech kind of use cases. Then for the document side, you have Firestore, which is a serverless scalable document store. It's ideal for mobile, web, and IoT kind of applications, or in fact, anywhere you look to store your data in a document. It's really ideal for that. It's also used for real time syncing of data. Part of the same family is the Firestore real time databases, which is again it's a document based but to store and sync data in real time, so mainly with the mobile apps. It's uh, it, it- it's used highly, so in terms of any of the mobile apps, mobile sign-ins or personalized ads applications, even for within an app, any app which provides you chat capability. It's an ideal database for those use cases. Now, if we move on to the memory side, in memory, Memorystore, which is a fully managed Redis and Memcached for sub-milliseconds data access. So anytime you have a caching problem or caching issues that you're looking to solve, Memorystore is a good option. So it's ideal for caching and gaming kind of use cases. A lot of time it's also used for leaderboard, social chats, or news feed. One of the case study you might get a question is about the leaderboard. So you can look at Memorystore to maintain that leaderboard. I think it's part of helicopter racing league case study. So it's ideal use case. Then there's as part of additional NoSQL, MongoDB Atlas is becoming very prominent. So MongoDB is becoming a de facto database for real-time syncing kind of use cases. So anytime you're working with APIs, you need to store the data, and at the same time you need to serve that data to web front or mobile front, again through APIs. MongoDB is really useful, and MongoDB is directly integrated within Google Cloud Platform. You can access it directly from your Google Cloud Console. So it's very useful. It's really ideal for mobile, web, or IoT applications. Gaming, content management is a good use case as well. Now, apart from that, you have a lot of partner solutions. So from the open source partner networks, basically something like MongoDB, so not the MongoDB Atlas, but just the MongoDB itself, data stacks for Cassandra, Redis Labs, and the Neo4j, the MariaDB, even Elasticsearch. So Google has a very integrated way of offering partner capabilities, and the examples are these one. Now with this, let's dig deeper into each one of these databases and understand their use cases and their architecture.